Hello, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And what about you?
I'm also fine. And what is your name?
My name is Ajal, and yours?
My name is Sakshitama. Where are you from, ma'am?
I am from Bagpat. And you?
I am from Vinoli.
What have you passed?
I have passed masters. And you, ma'am?
I have also passed my graduation. And what are you doing nowadays?
Nowadays, doing B.Ed and learning spoken English and computer. And ma'am, you?
I am learning spoken English and self-study nowadays. How many family members do you have?
I have six family members. And you?
I have seven family members in my family. What are your hobbies?
My hobby is traveling and watch old movie. And you, ma'am?
My hobbies are listening music and reading books.
And ma'am, want to be what do want to be?
I want to be a teacher. And you?
I want to be a perfect person in my life.
What are you doing to become? What are you doing to become a teacher? A teacher. I am doing self-study
I am doing self study
and learning.
and learning spoken English. And you, ma'am?
I am also learning spoken English and self-study. Become a good teacher. Why do you come here?
I need spoken English. And you?
I I want to um, improve my communication skill in English. That's why I will come here.
How do you come here?
I come here by train. And you?
I come here by auto.
What time? At what time do you come here?
I come here at 11 o'clock. And you, ma'am?
I am come here. I come here at 10:30.
And with whom you come here? With whom do you come here?
I come here alone.
Okay.
And you?
I also come here alone.
At what time do you go there? Go from there.
I go for there. Go from here at 12 o'clock. And you, ma'am?
I am also come here. I also go from here 12 o'clock.
Okay.
Will you will you come tomorrow?
Yes, I will come tomorrow. And you, ma'am?
I will come tomorrow.
Okay.
Have a great time. See you tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.